2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed First Drive, goodbye, W12, hello, hybrid electric power. After ditching its famous W12 engine, the four-door super luxury sedan gains a V8 plug-in hybrid engine with more power and torque. The Bentley Flying Spur Speed is known for its sleek, elegant silhouette, supercar-level performance, and the unmistakable prowess of its former W12 engine. But what if you strip away four cylinders and infuse the mega-luxury car with the sophistication of an electric motor and a cutting-edge battery? Enter the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed, a machine that boasts more than 11% more torque and an impressive 19% horsepower boost. Even with its electrified hybrid heart, it retains its soul, delivering the same four-door supercar thrills. Meanwhile, its ride remains impeccably refined, gliding effortlessly over roads while exuding a relentless appetite for devouring asphalt. We got a chance to drive and ride in the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed along the breathtakingly twisty roads that weave between Scottsdale and Sedona, Arizona. While it's true we missed some things about the beloved W12 engine, we discovered this fourth-generation super luxury hybrid sedan more than compensates with its remarkable power, agile handling, and impressive grip. Every curve and straightaway brought a smile, as the Flying Spur Speed proved it's more than capable of turning any drive into a truly exhilarating journey. Behind the wheel. Under the hood of the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired seamlessly with a 187 HP electric motor. Together, this duo unleashes 771 HP and 738 lb-ft of torque, a significant leap of 145 HP and 74 lb-ft over the retired W12 engine. The plug-in hybrid sophistication extends to a 25.9 kWh battery, granting 47 miles of all-electric range. It's a masterclass in blending more power with less emissions. Every moment behind the wheel of the new Bentley Flying Spur Speed is an indulgent thrill. It combines supercar performance and luxury sedan sophistication, blending the best of both into one extraordinary machine. The amount of power delivered to the wheels is phenomenal, and it feels like it never ends. Press the throttle, and you feel the torque pushing your back against the seat as you listen to the engine's loud roar. After a 300-mile journey, we stepped out feeling as fresh as when we began, with no desire to stop driving. The car's dynamic performance kept us thoroughly engaged, delivering joy every time we pressed the throttle, especially when accelerating out of a curve. Despite the battery making it heavy, you feel a good chassis balance behind the wheel. The Flying Spur has a slight rear-biased weight distribution, and body roll is minimal. An electronically controlled limited slip differential with active torque vectoring, along with Bentley's dynamic ride control for suspension adjustment with twin-valve dampers, are also part of the fun. And there's rear-wheel steering to improve handling and to make the car easier to park. The twin-valve suspension dampers do a fantastic job absorbing imperfections and preventing vibrations from getting into the cabin. Going over big bumps or ruts doesn't disturb the peaceful cockpit, and even when you dare to hit high speeds, the whole ride is super composed and calm. It's the kind of experience you expect from a $300,000 vehicle, serene and relaxed. All this hardware makes the drive modes deliver a distinct experience. Sport mode turns the Flying Spur closer to a supercar than a luxury sedan, making the ride stiffer and delivering a more rigid steering feel and quicker throttle response. Comfort mode is everything you'd expect, and B mode combines the best of comfort and sport under one setting. We were mostly impressed with the energy recuperation from the plug-in hybrid system. On downhills, while coasting and when braking, the system recuperated all that energy and stored it in the battery. This isn't anything new in plug-in hybrids, but the efficiency the system has is notable. There were moments when the battery was mostly depleted, but after driving downhill for a few minutes, it would add double-digit miles of electric range. Just as good to ride. In a luxury sedan like the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed, the back seat isn't just a seat, it's a throne. True to its pedigree, it delivers an unmatched level of comfort and elegance. Slide the front passenger seat forward, and you're treated to ample legroom that invites you to stretch out and relax. The plush seats, wrapped in the finest materials, indeed make you feel like royalty. Bentley's meticulous attention to detail shines in the rear cabin, with generously padded surfaces where your hands and arms rest naturally and headrests adorned with the most luxurious pillows you'll ever experience. An iPhone-like device lets rear passengers control many functions from the comfort of their seat, from moving the front seat forward to activating seat massages to changing the song being playing. If we nitpick something about the rear cabin's experience, headroom is the target. It's not cramped, but it does feel a bit cozy thanks to the coupe-like roofline, and although average-sized adults likely won't notice it, tall passengers will. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed's front cabin area is every bit as luxurious as the rear, wrapped in a cocoon of soft, premium materials. The cockpit blends modern digital interfaces with tactile physical buttons, offering a balance of technology and functionality. The center console is home to intuitive hard buttons for seat adjustments, HVAC controls, and drive modes, while media functions are managed neatly via buttons below the central screen. However, the plastic used on the center console slightly disrupts the otherwise impeccable ambience. Although it's an improvement over glossy piano black, it doesn't match the exceptional quality found throughout the rest of the cabin. Our test car was equipped with a $10,000 premium audio system from Naim, which sounded as crisp as expected, though we're not sure it's worth $10,000. But the rest of the interior is polished, with every bit making passengers feel extraordinary. A new infotainment system lets owners download standalone apps like Spotify directly into the infotainment system, though we spent most of our time with Apple CarPlay on. Android Auto is also available. As good as it sounds. Justifying the price of a $300,000 luxury car can be a challenge, but the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed makes a compelling case. Its ability to seamlessly blend a high-performance powertrain with a serene, opulent cabin creates an experience that feels nothing short of unique. The decision to replace the W12 engine with a V8 plug-in hybrid was undoubtedly bold, perhaps even a bit risky, but we welcome the change after spending time behind the wheel. It's a shift that enhances the car's character without compromising its essence, and we're confident future owners will enjoy driving it as much as we did. With a starting price of $276,450, the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed is worth every penny for those who have enough pennies. This is more than a car, it's a statement. A vehicle designed to impress friends, family, and anyone fortunate enough to experience its presence. It's about celebrating your enthusiasm and success through a machine that leaves a lasting impression. It dazzled us on Arizona's scenic roads, and we have no doubt it will continue to captivate those lucky enough to encounter it.